Hey, Grant here. What I've got here is a 72-inch solar outdoor light post with a planter. It comes in about 12 pieces. Very simple to put together. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Your post here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-piece post. They just screw together. See, they're not this long each. This is in a couple of pieces, and plus your bulb. Your bulb does come with it. Your planter's in 2 pieces. You just set the larger one on top of the smaller one. 8 screws in it, puts them together. There's a base in the bottom, round base. This will slide into 4 screws to put it in the bottom, and this just sits down over. I've got brick in it right now so it doesn't fall over. It's very, very lightweight. And once you put your dirt in it and your flowers, it'll be fine and dandy, and you'll have some weight, and you'll look nice at the same time. So once again, this is a 72-inch solar light post with a planter. I hope this helps. Hope to see you again.